National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Prowers County in southeastern Colorado, northeastern Bent County in southeastern Colorado, until 5 p.m. At 4:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near McCleve, west of Wiley, or 13 miles northwest of Lamar, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Wiley around 4:30 p.m. Lamar around 4:40 p.m. Bristol around 5 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.